Well, I'm doing an oil change on my 6.7 Cummins. And all of the YouTube channels recommend this plug right here, the red plug. It's for your oil filter. And it's because that Cummins 4x4 has it a very particular way that they put the oil filter in, and you have to twist it sideways to get it out and to get it in, and that causes a lot of messes. Well, I don't have the money to be spending on that thing due to the cost of that oil exchange on these things are expensive. So this is the way I did it. I used my one of my gloves that I took off on one hand, and I put it around my filter. Well, that worked, but when I tipped the filter right there, it kind of bursted that glove off. But it works. So if you guys don't have any money to buy the stupid plug, so you guys don't make a mess when you're twisting the filter off or out of there, just use your glove and put in that new filter in there. And yes, I'm using Fram. Uh, Nothing wrong with that brand. Basically, I tried to buy a Mopar filter, but they were out at Walmart. So went in there and looking for any other oil filter. So this one wasn't special, and plus it's not made in China, it's made in Mexico. I don't know if that's better or not, but at least if you want to cut China out of your place or out of your money, just do little things like this. Support other countries that do the same thing. And now I'm putting it back in there, and I'm using my other hand glove, so I just cover the whole top of the filter because I pre-fill it halfway. So um, just clean up that mess that I made with that rug right there for right now. Clean up that the housing of the filter. Clean up some of the oil a little bit of the oil that I spilled out. Uh, and then you stick the filter back in there. See how you have to tilt that filter one way in order to get it in there. So that causes it to spill if you have pre-fill it, or if you are taking it off with all the oil in there. And you're doing this blinded because you can't see the oil housing or anything in there. So you're just guessing where you're screwing the damn filter at. You can't really see anything under there. Like I said, they freaking Mopar or Dodge made this a shitty ass spot for the filter, but it's not impossible. I have put it in there, and then I'm just gonna give it a tighten it by hand, and then giving it a quarter of a turn with that with a wrench in there, and to secure it.